Hola familia, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you guys a what I eat in the day video. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat today to keep myself energized and make myself feel good. We're gonna get into that right now, starting out with breakfast. I think I'm gonna make like farina and like a smoothie. I'm excited about that because I really want some smoothie fruitness in my life. I got some fresh fruits and stuff, so let's get right to it because I'm getting hungry. So to get our farina going, we're gonna get some boiling milk and some cream of wheat. We're gonna whisk this constantly. You wanna get this on a very low simmer / boil. You're gonna add some sweetener to that. Just keep on whisking, and once you get to your desired consistency, you're gonna go ahead and remove this from the heat, because if not, it will get very, very stiff. For our smoothie, really all you do is add whatever fruit you would like, some kind of plant milk, blend, and this is breakfast ready to be eaten. I totally forgot to film myself for lunchtime, but basically I had this salad that I made for another video, as well as a sandwich. I was very freaking hungry, and honestly, I just eat bread all the darn time. I really need to like slow down on the bread, but I love me a just very simple mayo, ham and cheese sandwich, and this was yummy. Hello everyone, it's currently dinner time and I've decided to make some fried green tomato sandwiches. We got some green tomatoes here. We're gonna go ahead and cut this one up because it's the most green one, and we're making fried green tomatoes, of course. So I have a little glass container here, got some salt to pour over top, and so basically I'm just gonna cut this and I'm going to salt them and let them sit for 30 minutes so that they can like soften up and like release their juices. So I've made this once before, but it was inside of an air fryer and I just didn't like the way it turned out. I've been dying to make this again. Finally found some like nice looking green tomatoes that were not too expensive. And you don't want to cut these too thin because then when you fry it, it's gonna cook up way too fast and you don't want that. But also you don't want it to be too thick because then it won't cook up. Pick and choose your battles, do what you want, but I'm gonna cut them like medium thin. And then we're gonna go ahead and salt it. I'm not gonna make too much, but just enough for me and Arrow for tonight, and then also for lunch for tomorrow. And once it's ready to go, I'll take you guys to the kitchen so we can cook this up together. We're gonna get some flour and we're gonna go ahead and season it with whatever seasoning you would like. Basically, you're just gonna get this to your liking and your taste buds. Just make sure that you have a good mixture going for you and what you like. We're also gonna put some milk and nutritional yeast together to make somewhat of an eggy mixture. And to bread that, we're gonna go ahead and use some cornmeal. Once your dredge is ready to go, you can go ahead and do the 3-step like we're doing here. And then we're basically ready to fry. Fry this on both sides until it's golden brown, and this is ready to be served. But before that, we're gonna go ahead and make a horseradish sauce. I actually had something like this in California when I went this summer, and I fell in love, so I had to recreate it. Be sure to check out the recipe link down below for all the instructions on this delicious fried green tomato slider with a horseradish sauce to go on top of that. After cleaning my closet out all day, I decided I didn't want to eat anything and I just wanted to go to bed. But I always like to have some kind of late night snack or meal or something. So I always go for chocolate milk. You guys know I'm a fiend for this. And basically I could drink this so freaking fast. I totally forgot to do an outro for this video. So this is me signing off. I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Join the familia, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.